Hello everyone and welcome to another Scan to CAD Pro video, where today I'll be highlighting a useful feature that we can use to review our design process of our model using something called the timeline. So as you can see, I've got this completed model of this part here, which is based on the valve connector scan that I've acquired. And using the tools in Scan to CAD Pro, I was able to complete this. And if you take a look at the bottom timeline here, these are all the different steps that I've taken to get to this point. So as I hover over these different items, you'll notice that it also highlights a certain feature or entity in the space. And this is to just show me what exactly has happened for that specific point in time. I can also use the roll back button. And as I increment backwards in time with each step, you'll notice that the CAD model also updates to reflect what was shown at that specific instance. And I can use the roll forward to go forward in time as well. I can also right-click on any of these items and hit the Roll To button to jump right to that specific instance. And I can even go a step forward and go right-click Edit to change the exact feature or sketch that I was creating with that specific step. So for example, this extrusion, I can change the extrusion depth, I can change the operation type, the mode, and so forth. So once you have completed your model and you're ready to send it over to, let's say, SolidWorks, you can right-click on the end feature and hit the Transfer to SolidWorks button. Or if you just want to transfer what this specific instance, for example, this Extrude To step here, if you want to transfer the bodies at this specific point in time, then you can right-click on that specific step and hit the Transfer button as well. So for example, I'll just hit this right here, and this should show me the model of what I see in the Scan to CAD Pro interface, but now in the SolidWorks interface as is appearing now. So you notice that with the transfer button, it organizes our sketches and extrusions as native entities that we can also right-click, edit directly in the native SolidWorks interface. So in essence, the timeline allows us to review our design process from the beginning to the end, but also allows us to make changes on the fly at different points along the way, and transfer it over to our preferred CAD software to review it in that environment.